Yeah, oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to Imperial. It's a beautiful day, sun's shining, it's a little chilly, but we have Tim with us today, and today we're featuring our truck of the week. Tim, this looks like a 2019 heavy-duty 5500 Ram.
Yes.
Tell us about this truck.
It's a 2019, like Christy said.
Yes.
Diesel, and we've got our 980 steel tank on it, which is 680 gallons of waste, 300 gallons of water. The 2019 is a brand new truck, so I would initiate full warranty at day of delivery. We've got a screaming deal going on right now for just around $71,000.
Wow, so end of year special on this thing.
Yes,
we want to get rid of this, guys, right?
Absolutely.
So it won't last long. Let's take a walk over here, Tim, and show it off here. It looks like we have a HXL4 on here.
Masport HXL4, vacuum pump, 160 CFM.
Okay, all right.
Toolboxes, 18 by 18 by 36,
Okay.
both sides, all aluminum.
All right, so a little storage there. And we have our aluminum hose trays.
Aluminum hose trays all the way around, right?
Okay, in this tank, epoxy coated inside, Tim?
On the water side,
Yes.
yes. It's
Okay.
a steel tank, so our water compartment is coated. That way you don't get that dirty, rusty water when you're filling toilets and sinks.
That'll help with your longevity on there. And a 30-foot intake hose, Tim?
Right,
Okay.
30-foot intake hose, wand, everything comes with it. You get the 50-foot of garden hose with
Sure.
the spray nozzle.
Okay, and the whale water pump, it
Water
looks
pump
like?
is on there, right?
Perfect. And again, we have our storage for our porta potties. How many can fit on here, Tim?
2-up potty gate, we call it, or unit hauler for
Yes.
2 toilets.
Okay.
And you got the tie-down straps for it. All the
Perfect.
lights, we have a hitch package on here with the wiring, so you can
Okay.
pull trailers.
My hands are cold, so we're gonna just keep going. All right, Tim, let's go here.
Oh, full open hose tray
Yes.
again, another toolbox. One thing we started doing here not too long ago is we're making our tanks, our stock tank weldments, as dual-sided capability. So if you're wondering what that is for, that's if you are running a big event and you've got toilets on both sides, you could order another 30-foot intake hose and hook it up here so it's already plumbed for it.
Perfect.
So
Even a
that's, set up
campsite,
for dual-sided,
anything. Yeah.
Anything like that, yep.
And you put your hose right there.
Yep, hose hook is there for you. Garden
Okay.
hose is in the back end.
That's a great feature, actually. You know, you can just add that on there, guys. And I mean, what are you talking, like a couple days to get that put together?
Yep.
Okay, wonderful. And what size manway on there, Tim, for clean out?
20-inch manway with the
20
primary built into it.
Okay, which is pretty much a standard feature.
Very standard, right?
Wonderful. All right, well, let's walk around here, guys. Take a look at this Ram. And like Tim said, this is a 2019 blowout, guys. This thing will not last long, so make sure you call us ASAP. End of year, I know a lot of you guys are looking, thinking about in the back of your mind, should I get this? You know, Christmas is coming, right, guys? So don't hesitate. Tim, let's show.
Also year-end
yes.
tax write-offs too for people that need to spend that money at the end of the year. This would be a great deal for you.
That's
4x2, I didn't mention that earlier, but it is a diesel Ram 4x2.
Okay, perfect. That is a great point there. And again, the Ram here, guys. Tim, let's jump in the cab here and just show off.
Okay, you can drive today.
I'm gonna drive. Okay, guys, we're inside this beautiful Ram 2019 diesel
Right?
package here, guys. We want to show you inside this truck, show you what this has to offer. Let me just do a little run through here, guys. I know, Tim, you can walk me through a little bit some of this. I know there's not a lot of bells and whistles, but it looks really classy.
It is. It's a very clean interior. It's got the vinyl seats, vinyl floors, so it's easy cleanup. It is a 3-seat.
Okay.
So you can flip this up for a 3rd passenger. Otherwise, you've got lots of storage, armrest, cup holders.
Yeah, that looks great. You know,
It does have hands-free phone,
Okay.
cruise, heated mirrors, power mirrors.
Wonderful. And I see the
These are all your auxiliary switches that run
Okay.
like your lighting, your switch box to the pump,
okay.
and PTO operation. That's all run inside here.
Okay. And guys, these keys can be yours. All you have to do is give us a call, guys. Tim, thank you for joining us.
Absolutely.
And don't hesitate, guys. Call us today, 1-800-558-2945. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Help us grow our channel. If they like this video, Tim,
Call Tim.
call Tim. Give
At
us a
Imperial
thumbs up. Have a wonderful day, guys. Stay safe out there. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving.
Happy
and
holidays.
we'll be back at you soon. Take care.